In response to the alarming rise of child abuse cases reported in Kentucky, including an extreme case where a local woman is linked to a rape of a minor child, new light is shed on the urgent need for intervention as Kentucky grapples with its child abuse crisis.
The abuse numbers are something that we need to talk about, and that they are much higher than people anticipate and realize. You know, statistically, we know at least 1 in 10 children are going to be the victims of some form of sexual abuse in their lifetime.
According to a report released earlier this year by the Department of Health and Human Services, Kentucky was the 4th highest in the nation for child maltreatment. While the rising numbers of child abuse cases raise concern through the child advocacy community, rallying a focus to address the issue head on is the priority.
Not really surprised by any numbers that come out because we really know what the reality of the situation is. And that's one of the reasons that we think it's so important that we talk about this and that we shine a light on this problem, because it really does grow in darkness.
In the shadows of Kentucky, young children remain the most vulnerable of victims, with 20% of total victims under the age of 4, while babies account for the most vulnerable. Organizations like Prevent Child Abuse Kentucky and the Child Advocacy Center of the Bluegrass are playing vital roles in educating the community and working to prevent child abuse before it occurs.
Anytime we talk about numbers and statistics, what's behind those numbers is prevention.
Kentucky is a mandatory reporting state. However, Seifert says cutting the numbers is just half the battle.
And I don't want people to be discouraged by if something is doubled or tripled, or if something is increased, or conversely, even if something is decreased a little, because we still have a lot of work to do. And we've got to draw a line in the sand and talk about what we can do for families to stop that cycle of abuse.
In Lexington, I'm ALINA NEVS for ABC 36 News Now.